Hey, what's up, fella? Become a drop shipper. In this training, this is what I'm going to show you: how to become a drop shipper, how to start a drop shipping business in no time, and having a drop shipping business that looks just like this one. Okay, so this was a listing on exchangemarketplace.com, which is the place we drop shippers sell drop shipping businesses in no time at all. It belongs to Shopify, and Shopify is the platform that we use to start a drop shipping business. Okay, before we get into this, let me quickly promote myself. My name is Jack McDonald. I run this beautiful, very informative YouTube channel all about making websites, starting businesses online from scratch. So I put a link in the description. Go ahead, go there, check that out. Subscribe to my channel, jackmcdonalds.club. But Shopify is the name, is the channel, is my favorite channel that I have because I share information on Shopify, which makes me the most money. And Shopify is the platform that I use to build drop shipping businesses that I either own or sell. With that being said, let's get to drop shipping. Drop shipping business. Before we get into this, I have a free, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get my free training where I actually baby step you on how to create a dropshipping business. Before we get to this, before we get to that, I'll tell you at the end of the video. So please don't leave the video, because this is the time where everybody just leave the video. I don't know why, because you get distracted. Just stay focused. Let's talk about dropshipping business. In a few minutes, I'll show you how to get a bunch of cool stuff for free to start a dropshipping business. Let's first understand what is dropshipping business model. Dropshipping business model and become a dropshipper works like this. Here's a customer, here's the supplier, and this is your store. You're basically the middleman. Okay, the customer places an order, pays you your retail price for instance of $200, and it pays you that. Okay, and then what you do is to forward the order to your supplier and pay the wholesale of $150. So basically, your supplier ships the product directly to your customers, and all you got to do is basically be the middleman. Okay, you do the marketing. You need to get the customers. This works because drop shippers, the suppliers, actually don't want to deal with customers. They want to deal with you, okay, the drop shipper. They want to deal with businessmen, not with customers, okay, because the customers must be served. The supplier wants to serve the customer with the item, not with words, not with the stories, which is basically what you got to do, because it's your job to tell a good story to the customer and basically create the opportunity for the customer to get the item that the customer wants. This is drop shipping in a nutshell. Okay, this is how it works. Now, once you do this, once you understand this, all you need to understand is Shopify. These three companies, okay, Shopify, and then Oberlo, and then AliExpress. All right, let me tell you this in a minute, and then I'll show you how to get a free training and the free bunch of cool stuff that I have for you. Just hold on a minute, don't leave the video. Shopify is basically build your business. Okay, it's basically a platform that allows you to build a platform like this one. Okay, Hollis Hotel is a business started on Shopify. Okay, this is the Shopify platform allows Hollis Hotel to come to life. Okay, so you will use Shopify to create your business, and then Oberlo, which is the app, the free app that allows you to import hundreds of products straight from AliExpress, which is the place where suppliers that are up for drop shipping will be found. Okay, they mostly in China. So you will basically with Oberlo, you be allowed to import hundreds of products straight from AliExpress to your store. In other words, just for sake of this tutorial, for sake of example, a visual example, if you go to phone cases on Hollis Hotel, okay, you see all of these phone cases. These phone cases, they come straight from AliExpress. Okay, so when you build, and this is what I show you in the training, when you build your drop shipping business on Shopify, you install an app that allows you, once you go to AliExpress, to click on the item. Okay, this is the little app that you will be using. Okay, is this one. Now it's not up because I don't have the Shopify store up, because the extension works like this. Once you start your free trial and you start your business, you have 14 days for free to use it. And then obviously I'll show you how to make money way before the 14 days. But basically the extension works like this. So once you have the business up on a web page, you will be allowed to use the extension, check that product. If you like the product, there's gonna pop up a little button like this one that allows you, there you go. If you go like that, please log into app or below.com and try again, because now I'm not logged in. But this little icon is going to allow you to import this product straight to your business, straight to your store. And this is what they done. Love Yourself case. Okay, they found this phone case on AliExpress, and through Obelo they imported it into the Shopify store, Heartless Hotel. The dropshipping business model is mind-blowing, because you don't have to own your own product. You can do it straight from your computer, in your home, in your house. You can be at the beach, you can be on a mountain, you can be on vacation and still be able to work on your business with your laptop. Okay, now with that being said, this is basically dropshipping in a nutshell. To become a dropshipper, all you gotta do, you gotta go to this free landing page. Okay, there's a link in the description. If you click on this link, you will be redirected to this free landing page. Okay, once you put your little email in it, like jack@jackmcdonalds.club, which is my email, and you submit it, okay, you will be able to a free 14-day Shopify trial. Okay, through this link, once you click this link and you start a store on Shopify through this link, I will send you directly, okay, in your inbox, my dropshipping starter pack. Now in the dropshipping starter pack, you'll find 5 guides that will walk you through step by step on doing this. The most important of these, okay, you got the e-commerce business, big one, the dropshipping business FAQ, big one, dropshipping store, the best practice design, big one, the dropshipping business launch checklist, big time. But a real one, the one that's gonna change your whole process in becoming a dropshipper, is this one: how I built a profitable dropshipping business in 14 days without spending any money on ads. Okay, obviously to accompany this whole dropshipping starter pack, there's going to be a video, a full training, okay, that I just uploaded on the channel, which is going to be private. So I'm just going to share with you who happen into the email list. So once you hop on the email list, you will find the free 14-day Shopify trial and another link to get to the video, to get to the full training. It's 1 hour. So go ahead, get your free training, get your dropshipping business starter pack, and to your luck, it's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna be an awesome journey. Believe me, I've done it so many times. Believe me, my local area, I taught this to millions of students, okay, and then we all doing fine. They're all making money. They're not millionaires, but they're making tons of money. They're making $2,000 to $3,000 a month doing drop shipping. So yeah, with that being said, if you want a business just like a Heartless Hotel, you know what to do. There's a bunch of links in the description. My name is Jack McDonald. So I run this beautiful YouTube channel all about making WordPress website, all about starting online businesses. But the one that I love the most is Shopify, is the name, because this is where I show my passion for Shopify. With that being said, bye bye. See you next time.